This is retarded.
What are you doing? What are you doing, Becca? Are you trying to put them on? Are you showing Daddy? Say Daddy. Beautiful. Come here.
I can't do it.
Whoa, Spider-Man pants.
It's Spider-Man baby suit.
It's a what?
Spider-Man baby suit.
A Spider-Man bathing suit.
Yeah.
Oh, say thank you, Nana.
You can make it.
And thank you, Grandpa.
And you did.
No, they got it for you.
Can you?
Hey, don't knock her down.
Oh, that's like a present?
Hi, Becca. Look.
Daddy, see my backpack.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, Becca Bear. That's Becca.
Okay. Wow.
Oh, oh, Becca.
Where's Becca?
Becca, yeah.
What's wrong, Michael?